Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zapper for DeFi portfolio dashboards. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Zapper for your DeFi portfolio dashboards, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Zapper website by typing in the URL. Once the site loads, look for the Launch App button. Click on the Launch App button to access the Zapper interface. If you already have a wallet, select the option to connect your wallet. Choose the type of wallet you want to connect, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Follow the prompts to link your wallet to the Zapper platform. After successfully connecting your wallet, you will see your dashboard. Explore the dashboard that displays your DeFi assets and investments. To add more assets to your portfolio, click on the Add Asset button. Search for the specific DeFi projects or tokens you want to include. Select the assets to add them to your portfolio dashboard. You can now view your entire DeFi portfolio in one place. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard features. Check for any analytics or insights that Zapper provides on your assets. To adjust settings or preferences, navigate to the settings icon in the corner. Make any necessary changes according to your preferences. Save your settings to ensure they are applied. Now you are ready to monitor your DeFi investments effectively using Zapper. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.